Hey everyone, welcome back to Algebra and Geometry Explained. Today, we're going to break down how to solve one-step linear equations using inverse operations. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently solve any one-step equation by using the opposite operation. Let's jump in. What are inverse operations? Inverse operations are math operations that undo each other. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We use these to isolate the variable, usually x or y, and find its value. Part 1. Addition and subtraction equations. Let's start with addition and subtraction. If something is added to x, we subtract it. If something is subtracted, we add it. Example 1. X plus 7 equals 12. To undo the plus 7, subtract 7 from both sides. X equals 12 minus 7, x equals 5. Example 2. X minus 9 equals 20. To undo the minus 9, add 9. X equals 20 plus 9, x equals 29. Example 3. Minus 4 plus x equals 10. We want x by itself. Add 4 to both sides. X equals 10 plus 4, x equals 14. Example 4, x minus 3.5 equal to 1.2. Add 3.5 to both sides, x equal to 1.2 plus 3.5x equal to 4.7. Example 5, x plus 15 equal to negative 2. Subtract 15 to both sides x equal to negative 2 minus 15, x equal to negative 17. Multiplication and division equations. Now let's move on to multiplication and division. If the variable is being multiplied, we divide. If it's being divided, we multiply. Example 6, 5x equals 25, divide both sides by 5. X equals 25, divide by 5, x equals 5. Example 7, x divided by 4 equals 6. Multiply both sides by 4. X equals 6 times 4, x equals 24. Example 8, minus 3x minus 12. Divide both sides by minus 3, x equals minus 12. Divide by minus 3, x equals 4. Example 9. X divided by 2.5 equal to 10. Multiply both sides by 2.5. X equals 10 times 2.5, x equals 25. Example 10. 1/3 x equals 9. To undo multiplication by 1/3, multiply by the reciprocal 3. X equals 9 times 3, x equals 27. Recap. To solve a one-step equation, look at the operation being used on the variable. Use the inverse to undo it. Do the same thing to both sides of the equation. That's it. Before you go, if this helped you understand one-step equations, please like this video, share it with your classmates, subscribe to Algebra and Geometry Explained for more simple math lessons. Leave a comment below if you want a practice worksheet or part 2. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.